Hey guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to make a Snapchat shortcut. All this is that whenever you can add a lot of friends to this certain shortcut, and whenever you want to send a certain photo to all these friends, you can go and select the shortcut and not all of their names separately, and it'll be sent to all of them at the exact same time. So in order to do this, all you need to do is head over to Snapchat, and just take a random photo, click Send To. Once you have done this, in the top right corner, you'll see an option to create a shortcut. So once you've done this, you can select the name you want for this shortcut. So I'll just put an example. And then once I've done this, I need to select all the people that I want to. So bam, 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 bam. Just add whoever you would like. And then once you've done that, you can create the shortcut on the bottom of the screen. Then once you've done that, anytime you want to send a picture to somebody, it would show up here somewhere. And then you just need to select shortcut and then send it. And then anybody you put in that shortcut will be sent that certain Snapchat. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. I just want to say thank you for watching to the end of the video, and I will see you in the next one.